Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to unbox the KnitCrate, and this is the KnitCrate for May, and it's coming late because it did come a bit later in the mail, and also I had a really bad cold and I couldn't talk, so I couldn't film and I couldn't show you my KnitCrate. But I hope it's not too late and you're still going to enjoy this unboxing. Let me start by telling you a little bit about KnitCrate. They are a yarn subscription, so you sign up and you subscribe for a certain amount of money. So if you want the membership KnitCrate, you pay an amount. If you want the artisan KnitCrate, it's a bit more expensive. But no matter which KnitCrate you get, it's always a very good value for the money, because you usually get 2 skeins of yarn, beautiful patterns, and sometimes you get an extra. Also, if you get only 1 skein 1 month, you will get a lot of other, not a lot of other things, like 1 or 2 things extra in the box. But usually with the basic membership KnitCrate, you get 2 skeins of yarn, a few patterns, and lots of discounts. And I've been getting the membership these last months. KnitCrate, they've been kind enough to send it to me, so I'm getting it from them. I also paid for it for a year, I think. But then I started to get 2 boxes the same. So I used to get the membership KnitCrate that I paid for, and then they would send me another KnitCrate as a gift, and it was pretty much the same every month. So then I just decided to stop for a while. And yeah, this is, I think, is the membership KnitCrate. I don't know, because sometimes they change what they send, and we shall see inside. But yeah, this is the box, and most months it comes with this beautiful box with the logo on, KnitCrate, and I've opened it and I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna have a look. Whoa, look at that. It always comes beautifully wrapped with tissue paper. Then you get one of these pictures. They used to have this at the beginning in the KnitCrate, but then they stopped because they had a little booklet. So, oh, this is for a survey. It says, "Hello friends, this KnitCrate and the March 2019 crate both featured a single skein of luxury yarn, plus extras and sometimes bonus patterns. Although this is the last single skein crate we have planned for 2019, we'd like to get your feedback on these crates so we can plan for 2020. So I guess this is 1 skein. Yeah, this is 1 skein. It's usually 2 skeins, but I guess they decided to do 1 skein. But I'm sure that this is one of the patterns, and it looks like a cowl. I love the colors. They're very springy. It's got yellows, it's got pinks. So we're gonna have a look at the yarn and just put this on the side and open the yarn. Yeah, yellow, oranges, pinks. Ooh, it's beautiful. Oh my goodness, it's so soft. So they call it as a luxury yarn. Yeah, it's luxury because it's got cashmere. So in my KnitCrate, I've got 1 skein of Knitology by KnitCrate, and this is their in-the-house yarn. The colorway is citrus squeeze, and the yarn is called Cozy Sock. So it's a sock yarn, fingering weight, 75% superwash merino, 15% nylon, and 10% cashmere. 100 gram skein, 439 yards, 400 meters. And they recommend that you knit it with US size 0 to 1 or 2 to 225. To be honest, I would, like if I was to knit a cowl or a shawl, I would go even to maybe 325 with this yarn, and it will work fine. I've knitted a jumper, and I will try to take pictures of it once I block it. It's a whole jumper knitted from the yellow, the same kind of wool, the same fingering weight, and I've worked it with 3.5, and it worked out really nice as well. But depending on what you want to make, if you're making socks, then stick to the gauge, I'd say. They say hand wash only and lay flat to dry, so it's not superwash. It is superwash. Oh, it's because of the cashmere. Yeah. All Knitology yarns are made exclusively for KnitCrate, and I love it. Let me give you a closer look. So as you can see, we get these yellows here, some oranges here, some pinks, and I love the way they match these colors together. They're just so pretty. Wow, I like it. Here we go. Oh, this is going to make such a nice project. I'm excited to knit with it. It's such a beautiful yarn to knit with. Even in the summer, you wouldn't get too hot to knit with it. Oh, we've got some cuties. So in this crate, we get one skein of yarn, and then we get some buttons. And these are cute ladybug buttons, 2, 4, 6 buttons. They're quite cute. I mean, every time I knit a baby cardigan or a baby dress or something, I knit cute buttons, so I'm going to save these for that because they wouldn't really match this yarn. And then what is this? Oh, a project keeper, or like a stitch marker. Oh, it's really nice. It's very nice. And this is by exchangingfire.com. I'm sure they have they also have an Etsy shop. But this is cute. Oh, this is so cute. Let's have a look at the patterns. So in every KnitCrate you get one of these booklets, and this is KnitCrate Inspirations for May 2019. And on the front page it features the yarn that we just had a look at, and another one as well, because this is the one we have, and this might be the artisan or the sock crate. Let me just let me just open and see. So this is the yarn we have, is Citrus Squeeze, and it gives you a little bit of detail about it. It's a vivid reminder of the brightest summer days, inspired by citrus fruits, lemon, oranges and grapefruit. This colorway is sure to bring some warmth into your stash. So it retails for $30. This KnitCrate retails for $24.99, so we already have, you know, more than we paid less for what this KnitCrate is worth. We have these 2 extras, and we also have beautiful patterns, and each designer most times they offer a discount to whoever gets the KnitCrate for their other patterns. And let me show you what else we've got, because we need to see the projects. Oh yeah. So we have some socks. We have these socks, squeezed citrus. So you could knit these socks with the yarn, and it's one skein, it's enough to knit a pair. And maybe I'll knit a pair of socks because I haven't in a while, and it's quite a nice thing to take with you, especially because it's summer now, so you know, we go places, and it's a good project to have in your bag for any like 20 minutes that you have to do some knitting. So that's the first pattern, and you get all the instructions for that pattern. And then sometimes the pattern comes with charts as well. That's a knit pattern. You also get a crochet pattern, and this is called Magic Socks by Lilia Vanini, and they look really nice. you need one skein to knit this. So I mean, I wouldn't crochet socks. I think it's easier to knit socks, but it's a pattern, so it's nice to have it. And then let's see what else I've got here. Okay, we also have a pattern from the sock KnitCrate, and this is Dancing Butterfly by Cynthia Levi, and this is a knit pattern as well. It's beautiful. Oh, it's so beautiful, and it looks quite simple because it's just plain stockinette foot, and then it's got these like butterfly on the cuff. That makes it look special. I like these socks. So we already have 3 patterns plus goodies and the beautiful yarn. And then we also have, and I need to cover it with something because I can't show you the codes for copyright. We'll cover it with the wool. So these are the designs. You get this one, this one, this one. And then, oh, they also have something called pop-up shop. So it says this month's pop-up shop is full of surprises, so many we can't possibly show you them all here. Make sure you watch the preview videos on our YouTube channel and visit our Ravelry group to get all the details on this month's shop offering features. So it just shows you a few pictures of some cowls that they're gonna feature in their pop-up shop. And this is the back. So usually on the back of this little magazine you get a sneak peek of the following month. So this is June 2019 and it's called Calico, and as you can see it's got some purples. So I have a feeling that lavender would be the dominant color in next month. But yeah, this is the KnitCrate, and it's really nice. I'm very happy with it. You get patterns, you get goodies. So we have some buttons and a progress keeper or a stitch marker. Actually it's a stitch marker because it doesn't open, and this beautiful yarn, all packed up in this beautiful box. So KnitCrate are very kind, and they're offering my viewers a 20% off your first order with code TEO20. So all you need to do is go in the description of this video and follow the link that I'll put there, and that will take you to their KnitCrate website. And when you make an order, when you go to checkout, you just put code TEO20 and you get 20% off your first order from KnitCrate. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry about my croaky voice, and sorry I've been not very active on social media lately or on YouTube, is because I changed jobs and my schedule changed, and to be honest I've been so busy for the last 3 weeks that I didn't really have much time to do much filming. So hopefully things will calm down and I will be able to work out a schedule and do some more tutorials for you. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!